Silent quitting is not laziness. It is emotional survival. Let me explain. Silent quitting, nadidinig natin yan, yung tipong tinatamad na for the sake of compliance na lang para pumapasok. Ang tingin sa generation na gumagawa nito, tamad. Agree ka ba doon? While I say it's emotional survival, it's because there are things na wala nang magawa or wala nang paraan para maayos. Bakit? Tulad ng management decisions, HR, katrabaho, or even yung structure kung paano kayo ma-incentivize or late yung pagbibigay ng mga dapat na incentives. Silent quitting is a sign that you are trying to survive. And most employers can try to work around that, but not a good employer will try to keep you from leaving the job. Wag laging pabola, lalo na kung meron daw dadating na incentives or hindi talaga nimi-meet halfway sila sa'yo. Consider your worth and syempre, raise your voice to the appropriate management. Meaning, dapat pinapakinggan ka. Hopefully nakatulong and syempre, consider your options. If hindi, move to another opportunity.